Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is way overdue. I literally bought the supplies for this like over a month ago, but y'all, I literally tie-dyed it like weeks later after buying the supplies, and here I am posting it weeks later after doing it. So yeah, something's wrong with me. I wasn't sure if I wanted to post it because I felt like it was kind of useless at this point, because I feel like everybody has done the tie-dye thing by now. But I guess it's crazy to say everybody, so I figured maybe I should just do it anyway, because just maybe somebody hasn't done it yet. So I kind of did this just for some ideas on different things to tie-dye, but also for like my trial and error, like basically telling you guys what worked for me and what didn't. I'm pretty sure I had already filmed an intro for this, but just in case, just to let you guys know, I did dye my hair. If you've been on my channel before, you know, like, this is different. Blonde was what y'all were used to, but this is what I've been used to for years, so I'm just really going back to normal. So yeah, if you see me like transitioning between having black and blonde hair, then like, I'm sorry. But I'm not gonna hold y'all any longer. I'm also gonna be styling and kind of doing some DIY to the tie-dye pieces I have, because I don't want to just leave it just tie-dyed. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys that, so just stay tuned. If that's something you're interested in, then keep watching.
Okay, so for the first thing that we tie-dyed, this one was pretty basic, but I feel like tie-dye in general right now, no matter how basic, it's still trendy. So this is definitely my most generic tie-dye one of the whole video. So with this one, I wanted to do the little spiral type of tie-dye. So all I did was just twist it, and I put 4 rubber bands on it. I only wanted one color, and I wanted to go with the lime green color. So I actually had a lime green already, so I just used that one. When you're going into it, you might want to really get into it. You see me kind of just scraping the surface here, and this was before I knew that when I opened it up, it was going to be very white. So yeah, you really want to get in there, but I still like the results. It turned out pretty cute. You know, lime green is a really big color right now, so I still like the shirt. So with my second tie-dye DIY, I wanted to do something a little different, something a little non-traditional. I don't really see this too often. I don't think I really saw it until I looked for it. But I wanted to do the tie-dye stripes, so what I had to do was kind of fold this wife beater tank top like accordion style evenly. After that, all I did was add a few rubber bands according to how many stripes I actually wanted on my tank top, and I was doing vertical stripes for this one. So I think I added about, I want to say 4 rubber bands. And this was my inspo, you guys. I saw this and I was like, this is so cute. I'm in love. So I decided to go with those colors for my little tank top. I just used basic primary colors, you know, blue, yellow, and red. And I left a little space open for white. Now, I did take inspo again from the picture I just showed you, and I kind of went in and sprinkled a little yellow on the side where there was blue, because I wanted it a little bit messy and a little more artsy. So you can see on the ends where there's a little yellow and it's kind of bleeded into the white. And I just like the messy look way better than it being super uniform stripes. It gives me a lot more street style vibes. So this is how this one turned out. Here I am, I'm actually doing more to it because there was something I wanted to do with this shirt. I got this shirt out of the little boy section, so it's just a wife beater, but it is from the kids section. I think it was a size large. I recommend, if you want to do this, getting a shirt that's definitely going to be not too small for you, but pretty tight on you because of what I'm about to do with it. So I kind of just marked on the side, and I was going to cut all the way up the side. I don't know if you guys have seen the safety pin trend where people are making like crop tops and little tops made with safety pins, But that's basically what I'm doing. I didn't look up a tutorial for it. It's pretty self-explanatory if you just look at what people's shirts look like when they finished. Obviously, they cut it and added some safety pins. So that's exactly what I did. I just decided to alternate the sizes of my safety pins. So I did like the extra big ones and then the medium one and then so on. So this is why you want to get one that's kind of small for you, because it's going to be spaced out. And I absolutely loved how this one turned out. It might be my favorite. I don't know. Okay, for my next tie-dye, this one was also a little more classic. I decided to just go with a regular men's t-shirt. I just like my t-shirts bigger. So the first one was also a large t-shirt. So with this one, it was the spiral, but it was kind of more uniform than the first spiral I did. I was going to be using multiple colors for this one, so I had to be more strategic with how I did it. So all I had to do was just spin it while it was still wet and then add some rubber bands around it. You just kind of add the amount of rubber bands you want until it has as many sections as related to color as you want on your shirt. I keep calling this spiral, but I think it's called like a bullet. But I did get the inspo from another YouTuber, she's way bigger than me, Alyssa Forever. I saw her do it on her Instagram and I thought it was super cute. But I did mess it up, you guys. So I'm going to tell you how to not mess up like I did. So you see how I am putting my colors in and I'm just kind of, again, grazing the surface. If you're going to do this, I recommend you really like getting the color to like seep through like deeply. Because again, when I opened this up, it was very white. And also my colors weren't as vibrant as hers. Oh yeah, I did it on the other side too. But yeah, my colors weren't as vibrant as hers. And so I just recommend you not filling up the water bottle all the way. And maybe just filling it up a quarter of the way or half the way. And then your color should be a lot more vibrant. But I still actually liked how it turned out. It was like a pretty kind of pastel-y color. I used this little shirt template to figure out how I was going to cut it, and basically it was going to help me end up with the same little tie on the side look that she did. This was honestly the hardest DIY one I did for this video, but it wasn't hard really. It's just you kind of have to pay attention to the way that you're cutting it or you can really mess yourself up. I recommend if you're going to do this one, definitely trying it on as you're going to see how it's looking on your body type, because this one is really easy to get some boob spillage and you don't really want that. So I recommend just putting it on and trying it on for size before you decide, oh, let me cut this a little bit more. Right here you can just see where I'm actually cropping it, and I did go in again and make it shorter than this because that wasn't as short as I wanted it. At this point you're just kind of making a little triangle in the middle of your shirt, and this is where you're going to have the split parts to tie. Do not be afraid to cut them at this point. I was a little afraid to touch it, but you need to do that because that's how you're going to be able to tie it. And you see, after I tried it on, I wanted my little actual strap part to be smaller, so I just cut that. So yeah, this is how this one looked, and this is how I styled it. Okay, so here's for my next DIY. I said that shirt was my favorite, but I don't know. I really liked the idea of this one. So I really originally wanted to do the sweatpants tie-dye trend that was going on, but there's like no sweatpants on Amazon because of that trend. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do something different. I decided to go with some cargo type pants, but they're actually painter pants. I found them on Amazon as well. They are by the brand Dickies. So I thought this would be a little different and a little cool. at the time I didn't know that Urban Outfitters was selling pants like these for like $100. So yeah, if you want a little Urban Outfitters dupe for about $25 instead of $100, then yeah, you can make your own at home like I'm doing here. I'm making a TikTok, you guys. Like, that's why I'm holding my phone and tie-dyeing at the same time. Oh, you guys, follow me on TikTok because I have been posting little fashion and hair snippets on there. So definitely follow me on there. I'm trying to do more on there because it's just so fun and it's easy to edit. So yeah, you see that I went in with this black tie-dye, but it did not turn out black. It was like a light gray, which I didn't mind because it made it really subtle and pretty. Okay, and we're coming with my final tie-dye thing. I've really been into bucket hats lately, and so I wanted to do my own tie-dye bucket hat. This is another one that I found on Amazon. I will try to link both the pants and this bucket hat down below on my little Amazon store shop front. I never use it, but I'll link it down below today. I decided that I wanted to do this one to match this bikini top that I have. I have this like pink and white bikini top that I thought would be super cute to have a matching bucket hat. It didn't work out, but it's still really cute. I think it would be really cool if somebody did this, but with a whole bunch of multicolors and like did like a little pastel tie-dye bucket hat. I think that would be really cute. But my intention was for it to match my bikini top, and it was a little lighter than my bikini top because, like I said, I put too much water in all of my dye. If you're going for pastels, then yeah, fill your bottle up, but if you're not, don't do that. I had fun with shooting this one. I kind of just sat in front of my plants with a water hose, and I just thought it was fun and cute, and I went on some little apps and decorated. Alright, well that is my final one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment below what your favorite one was, and even comment below which one you might even try. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time.